Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another one of our videos. Thanks for checking in, and I hope you're a subscriber. If you're not, click that subscribe button because we have some awesome stuff coming. In today's video, we're going to be going over a fuel tank for the 66 Mustang, and we're converting it to EFI so we can run our ACES EFI carb system, which is that cool thing. So ACES fuel injection, we got the kill shot, we got the ACES blackjack distributor. Don't mind the mess, we got a lot of projects going on. So don't look. Okay, all the wire harness, actually crazy simple. That's really all you have. Stupid easy. Big screen for all your gauges and tuning. They didn't even make a bigger screen, but that's going to be a later video, so stay tuned. Last time y'all saw the Mustang, it did not have a motor, so the motor's in. We slapped a 5.0 out of a Fox body, 89 Fox body with a T5 transmission. We're converting the Mustang to power steering, of course. We're gonna have AC. I have just this regular bracket so I can ram the dipstick in the right spot. This thing's gonna be cool. I mean, if you've been following, this is going to be an autocross Mustang. It's got the coilover suspension, GTS 197 disc brakes front and rear. And now we're upgrading the fuel tank because the old one was returnless. And I didn't feel like going through all the trouble of modifying it because I'm kind of lazy. And I don't like spending extra time on things I don't have to. So, the Speedway Motors, Tanks is the brand. As you can see right there, Tanks. Pretty simple. This whole kit ran around $500, which honestly is not bad. I mean, you get a brand new fuel tank, brand new nozzle, brand new level, pump, and all the goodies. Came a little bent on the end. Easy peasy. Let's hammer that out. Great packaging. So let's open it up and see what's in all these little boxes. All right, box number one, we have GPA-4 fuel pump module. Exactly what it says. You got a little fuel pump. And for anyone that wants to know, this is a GSS340G3. And of course, it's made in the US of A. Not that China crap. So we got some good USA made products. We got a nice return and send unit along with the vent. Not rubber, it's plastic, so it should last the life of the vehicle. It shouldn't rot out or create any debris in the tank. Nice wiring. So this wiring is not connected right now. As you can see, the ends are open. We're gonna connect it, route the wiring up, and run it off. So pretty cool. They leave a lot open. You of course have your little sock, so no debris gets sucked up in the pump. A few zip ties, instructions for people that have never done this before. You know, a lot of parts these days don't come with instructions, so it's always nice to receive them when you can. But I've always been one that videos are the only way I can learn, because reading sucks. Kit number two, you have IFN91. This one is sadly made in Taiwan, not in the USA. That's okay. We'll give them a break on this one. Now let's hop over to this one. I haven't opened this one yet. I just cut the tape off, so we're all doing this together. Let me put the phone down so I can cut this tape. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. I'm not sure what that is yet. A vent, I think. If I'm gonna assume, I assume that's the vent. This is just a little FN-2.25. I believe that's just the gasket that holds the metal fill tube. Okay, so this is just hardware for the fill tube. You got your rubber, your gaskets. Sorry, camera got off. Your bolts, along with rubber. Nice rubber O-rings. So That's pretty cool. It won't rust. It won't create any grounding contacts. Well, I mean, it will because the threads are going to be in anyway, but the rubber's going to keep it from rusting. And your gasket, I mean, yeah, this is what bolts to the body, hold your fill tube into the tank. And this is, ooh, it's a filter. It swivels. It's hard to do it with one hand, but it does swivel. It is hard to do with one hand. I don't know if it's supposed to swivel because it has an O-ring, so it probably needs to be tight. It's just loose. You can hear something in there. I don't know. I'll have to read the instructions and see if I need to take it apart and take something out or not. Okay, I wouldn't be doing y'all justice if I didn't go through the instructions and tell you the right thing. So this right here is a remote rollover vent valve, and it says it must be mounted in a vertical position. This could be done in the frame or wheel well area as shown in that picture. So basically, just want it pointed up so all the fumes can go up, not down, because that's going to be reversing the fumes back into the tank. So you want it higher than the tank, as shown here. You want it higher than the tank so the fumes can safely evaporate and not build up pressure and go kaboom. All right, this one we got our fuel level. You can see it's fully disassembled. You have everything to assemble it, along with a nice little instructions rolled up like a bottle. So I need to see how this float actually goes in. I'm assuming it just goes like in here somewhere, but I don't know. That's why the great thing of instructions is there, but you know, there's nothing serious about this. This is part number 317135, tan-org, made 11/22. So if you're looking for a cinder that fits, this is it. In case you want to order all the parts separately, maybe you'll get yourself a bargain. But yeah, I'm gonna put this back in. This next step is to remove the tank, take everything out, and then place this one in. But that'll be part 2 of the video. So this is it for part 1. Part 1 was just unboxing and showing you this Tanks brand Speedway motor $500 fuel tank EFI kit with everything that you need to convert to EFI minus the hoses and filters for the inline routing. So those are the only things you need, is hoses and filters. Everything else you got right here. This is as easy as it gets. You could go with the Holley route. It's much more expensive, I believe, like $100 more. You know, if I don't need to, I'm not going to spend extra $100 for a name, even though Holley is good. But if this doesn't work, I will let y'all know. So thanks for watching this video, and thanks for excusing me with my allergies. You can see that Scully back there, our 12-foot skeleton. He will not be assisting in this video, sadly. He's pretty lazy. But thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. That will be out shortly. And it's going to be cool. Hopefully soon you'll see this Mustang at a few autocross events. And fingers crossed we make it through the whole event without breaking. So we'll see. Thanks for watching.